I have the low insulation meter and it has 0.5, 0.4, 0.2, 0.10. When the insulation value become less than 0.4 to 0.2, we've got the alarm. To test it, we must need to rotate this one and put on test, so it will work. But here, this is defective. No alarm coming, no fault signal coming. This is set by 20 kilo ohms, so 20 kilo ohms you must need to multiply by 1000 and then divide by 1 million. It has an equivalent value of 0.2 mega ohms. So I have 20 kilo ohms, so 20 multiplied by 1,000, yan, equals 20,000 ohms, and then divide by 1 million because we are talking about millions. 1 million, we have 6 zeros, so equivalent to 0.02. Again, 0, 0. Sometimes this calculator no good. 20 kilo ohms, this is 20 kilo ohms. You must need to multiply this by 1000 equals 20,000, and then this 20,000 ohms must be divided by 1 million. 6 na 0, 1 billion equal to 0.02 mega ohms. And then in here I have a multiplier of x10. Okay, this x10 must need to use as a multiplying factor, so multiply this by 10 equals 0.2 mega ohms. So in here I have 0.2 mega ohms. When these insulation values 0.5, 0.4, it is critical. 0.3, 0.2 is much critical, going to the 0. If you have alarm like this, less than 0.4, you must need to do a corrective action to eliminate the earthed cables. This is our 450 volt system bus bar, and here is our 230 feeder panel, 220 volts. It has also 1 mega ohms, 0.5, 0.2, 0.10. So in bus bar for 450 I have 0.5, 0.4, but here I have 1 mega ohms. So it has 40 kilo ohm to 1.5 mega ohms. When we do test, we simulate, we rotate this one to test. See, I have the alarm. So pangwit natin yun. Okay, acknowledge picture. Okay, no insulation test. Okay, normal now.
Meron pala silang ano sa